What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make this blouse. So let's get started. To cut this blouse, you fold your fabric into 4 places. So you fold your fabric like this, 1, and then you fold it again like this, 2. So here I have the closed end of the fabric and here I have the open end. So here's the length of the blouse and here's the width of the blouse. For the length of the blouse, I have 30 inches or almost 30 inches. And then for the width, I have about 42 inches. So on this part, I'll take my shoulder measurement. So you divide your shoulder measurement by 2. For mine, I have 7.5. And then you mark it here. So it's your shoulder measurement divided by 2. For the neckline, I'll use 5 inches. So I'll mark it here. And then for the depth of the neckline, I'll use 3 inches. And then I'll connect the lines together. And then I'll draw a curved line here like this. On the shoulder line, I'll mark 1 inch. So I'll connect the neckline to the shoulder line. And I'll use the 1 inch as my shoulder slant. So I'll drag this line down to the end of the blouse. On the shoulder line, I'll mark 11 inches. And then on this line, I'll take my bust measurement. So you divide your bust measurement by 4. For mine, I have 9.5. And then I'll add 3 inches to it. And then for my waist measurement, I'll use 16 inches. So you divide your waist measurement by 4. And then add 3 inches to it. For the hip measurement, you place your tape here and mark 23 inches. And then you divide your hip measurement by 4. And then also add 3 inches to it. And then you connect all the lines together. So on this part, I'll take my armhole curve. I'll place my tape here and mark 1 inch. And then draw a curved line like this, down to the bust line, and then to the waistline. And then I'll drag this line down to the end of the blouse. So here's the blouse. I'm going to pull it up so you can see. And then I'll go ahead and cut. After cutting, this is what you have. The next thing is to take the length of your sleeve. So for mine, I'm using 30 inches. So you place your tape here and then you mark your 30 inches. Or you can mark your sleeve from your shoulder line. So for mine, I have 22 inches. So you can either mark it from here or you can mark it from your shoulder line. And then you just come over to this place and draw a slant line down to the end of the sleeve. And then you go ahead and cut. So you go ahead and cut the facing for the front and the back neckline. And so with the right sides facing each other, you go ahead and sew the shoulders together. So you sew it from here and you stop 3 inches away from the shoulder line. You do the same for the other shoulder. You sew it and stop around this area. You also join the facing together. So you sew from here down to this place and then from here down to this place. So after sewing the shoulders together, you go ahead and join the sides of the blouse. The next step is to attach the facing to the neckline. So with the right sides facing each other, you go ahead and pin the edges of the facing together with the blouse. So after pinning it together, you go ahead and sew. So you sew the facing to the neckline. You can also use your bias tape to hem the neckline if you don't have facing. The next step is to hem the opening around the sleeve. So you go ahead and hem it, and then you do the same for the other sleeve. And then you go ahead and hem the bottom of the blouse. And that's it. So here's the blouse. Please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. I love you for watching. Thank you.